There are many products available to choose rowing machines, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rowing machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Concept 2 Rowerg. Built by rowers for rowers, the Rowerg by Concept 2 is one of the most popular rowing machines that you'll find in many CrossFit boxes and fitness centers across the world. But it's not just for elite athletes. The model is beginner-friendly as well. Because it is an air rower, the harder you row, the more significant the resistance, so you can control the intensity of your workout. This rower earned top scores in our tests, and our experts found it incredibly durable and well-made. As a general rule of thumb, rowers with a higher weight capacity like this one tend to feel more sturdy. The handle has a nice grip but is still comfortable during longer sessions, and the footrest is adjustable. The chain on the rower held up after hundreds of workouts. This model has a basic small LCD screen that allows you to just row, set up a variety of workouts, or choose from the 5 programmed options. Number 2. Meroc Q1S Rowing Machine. Most quality rowers can cost upwards of $1,000. But this sleek model from Meroc pairs premium features with affordability. We were impressed that the rower comes mostly pre-built and took us about 30 minutes to fully assemble. Although it is not foldable, it can be stored upright when not in use. It utilizes a magnetic system, which is one of the quieter types of rowing machines available. My favorite thing about this rower is that it's quiet, one tester said. I have downstairs neighbors, and I have zero worries about doing my rowing workouts at 6 a.m. You'll also get some impressive features like Bluetooth functionality with this model. And although the LCD screen is relatively basic, there is a spot to place your tablet or smartphone so you can follow along with your favorite virtual rowing classes via the Meroc app, which can automatically adjust your tension to match the instructors. Number 3. Water Rower Ash Rowing. The resistance it provides feels the most similar to being on open water because it's designed with a tank filled with liquid near the footrest. Like an air rower, you control the intensity, so the harder you row, the more resistance you'll feel. Water rowers are generally pretty quiet, and we found the light sloshing sound to be a rather therapeutic experience. The wood finish of this machine would work well in many home gyms. The rower is made in the USA and feels solid. It even has a 700-pound weight capacity, higher than any other rower we tested, thanks to the water tank. You'll find a relatively smooth stroke too. While we didn't assemble our model ourselves, most reviewers reported that assembly is fairly straightforward. The monitor measures your stroke rate and provides other metrics but is relatively basic overall. Number 4. Peloton Row. The Peloton Row is designed to offer advanced features and metrics, like visual feedback and real-time readouts of stroke rate, pace, output, and distance, to help rowers improve their form. It's a pricey machine, and if you want to take advantage of skilled and motivating instructors, you'll need to add a monthly subscription. You can use the rower without a membership to solely row without instruction. White glove delivery and setup is included. We found it was fast, clean, and efficient. The machine is large, well-made, and offers a very sleek design that is a true statement piece in any home gym. The 24-inch HD touchscreen rotates, so you can take advantage of content like Peloton's Row Bootcamp and strength classes, which include floor work. The rower can be stored vertically when not in use. We also noted that the seat and handles are much more comfortable and ergonomic than other rowers we tested. Number 5. Speediance Home Gym. Large exercise equipment can be a major investment, but Speediance's complete, all-in-one smart home gym combines strength training and cardio workouts into a single, highly versatile piece of equipment. The family model of the machine can transform into 2 popular and effective pieces of cardio equipment, a rower or a skierg, with the provided accessories. Few home gyms offer a cardio option like this one, and we liked that Speediance also can stand on its own and doesn't need to be mounted to a wall. It has a cable system, which includes multiple anchor points and enables a full range of strength training exercises, like a bench press or squat with the barbell attachment. overhead extensions or pull downs with the rope attachment, weighted kickbacks or leg lifts with the band attachment, and more. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.